Hello friends, Sam here. So again I am with you with new idea and a practice which I follow. As you know, in this series I share my ideas, my practices with you all so that can benefit to your business. Okay, so that is Sam's Idea Factory. So let's get started. So basically it is very necessary that you should probe the discussion with your audience. Okay, so for example, my audience stays in my Google contacts. So how I initiate discussion with them so that I can probe them to come to my session and all. So how it started. So this is a simple WhatsApp status I kept. You are fired. Are you ready for this day? Side hustling is must. So basically I wanted to conduct a session on side hustling for IT professional, and this is a probe, and within 24 hours almost 500 people touch my WhatsApp status, see my WhatsApp status. So how it got started? Magic immediately got started with this, and people, I said ask me how, so there is a call to action. So many people, you can see Sanket has replied how, then Arun has replied how, then Shashank has replied how. Okay, so Shashank has replied, Nishikant has replied, how Abhinav has replied, just a matter of half an hour, 1 hour, and you can see so many people started interacting. Arshi, then Jagdish also replied to that message, even if it is not related with that. My message is actually triggering people to reply me and start discussing. You can see here Barun has replied to my message, and that's how it got started. Sonali has replied, and that's how it got started. Then immediately I do have one 50-second video which I share, that is taking to the discussion to the next level, because finally my objective is to pull them into the session. So even the simple WhatsApp status can do the magic for you. Just try out, my friends, and tell me how it give you the result. One simple idea can be game changer for you. So to know more such ideas, below this video I am giving my Idea Factory link. You can come and join there. You are most welcome there. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in next video in Idea Factory series. Bye bye.